Hi mga kapwa ko employees, mga sirs and ma'ams. Kumusta po? Hoping and praying for your good health, long life, and success and happiness in your life, in your work, and in your family. In today's video, meron tayong good topic to discuss. Ano po ito? Allowances and incentives of government employees. Ang video natin ay para sa mga private employees na gusto maglipat sa government offices. Also sa mga new government employees na hindi pa aware sa mga allowances and incentives na ma-receive niya as government employee. So meron tayong 19 na incentives and allowances na i-discuss sa videong ito. Are you ready to watch the full video? If yes, so let's get started. Disclaimer, ang video content natin ay hindi personal opinion, but based on my research and personal knowledge sa allowances and incentives of government employee. So ito na po ang first 5 allowances and incentives of government employees. Allow me to read. Number 1, meal allowance. Number 2, rice subsidy or allowance. Number 3, medical cash allowance. And number 4, uniform clothing allowance. And number 5, laundry allowance. So yan po ang first 5 natin na allowances. Okay, so moving forward to our 6 to 10 na allowances and incentives. Ano po ito? Answer. Number 6, child allowance. Number 7, temporary emergency living allowance. Number 8, personnel economic relief allowance or PERA. Number 9, hazard pay or allowance. Number 10, representation and transportation allowance. So, mga employees, mga kapwa employees, kung officer kayo, government officer, certainly meron kang what we call representation and transportation allowance o rata. Yung mga government employees hindi maka-avail ng allowance na yan kasi exclusive yan sa government officer, right? So sa atin, mga government employees lang, certainly kung may anak tayo, maka-benefit tayo or maka-receive ng child allowance. And PERA, Personnel Economic Relief Allowance, meron tayo niyan monthly. Ang hazard pay, what I know is yung mga military or uniform personnel. Also our nurses, right? So yan po ang makareceive ng hazard pay or allowance. Moving forward to our next slide, number 11 to number 15. Ano po ito? Answer. 11, communication allowance. Number 12, relocation allowance. Number 13, special counsel allowance. Number 14, transportation allowance. Number 15, teller allowance. So, mga employees, kung teller kayo or cashier, certainly meron kayong teller allowance. Kung officer kayo, government officer, certainly meron kayong transportation allowance, sigurado yan. Kung employee lang tayo, hindi tayo maka-avail niyan. Wala tayong allowance na ganyan. What we have is sa 11 to 15, wala tayo niyan, no? Except relocation allowance. Hindi. Relocation allowance is for government officer. Yung ma-assign to other places or other branches, kung ilipat sila, meron silang relocation allowance. Communication allowance sa government officer din yan. Special counsel allowance, ito yung mga allowances na ma-receive ng mga lawyers natin. Kung meron silang hearing or mga case na gina-attend, every time na meron silang appearance, court appearance, meron silang what we call special counsel allowance. Okay, so we are now mindful of allowances and incentives sa government employee. Meron pang another allowances na ma-receive. Ito po yung last slide natin. Ano po ito? Number 16 to 19. Number 16, longevity allowance. Number 17, CHOC allowance. Number 18, special hardship allowance. Number 19, other allowances under CNA. So mga employees, mga sirs and ma'am, kung matagal na tayo sa service, meron tayong longevity allowance. In my case, 25 years in service na ako sa office namin. So, na-enjoy ko na itong longevity allowance. Meron ako nito monthly. CHOC allowance sa mga public school teachers, right? Hi to our public school teachers, sirs and ma'am. Salamat sa panonood sa video natin and sa channel natin. Kung hindi ka pa subscriber, subscribe na po. Number 18, special hardship allowance sa mga mga teachers kung hindi ako nagkamali or other frontliners natin. Other allowances under CNA po. Yung mga allowances natin na na-enumerate, baka kulang pa yan, hindi ko na-mention. Merong mga offices, government offices na merong mga allowances na hindi ko na-mention na under sa CNA. So yan po, kung may question kayo, may comment, please write in our comment section. I will make time to answer that. Okay, so hope you learn from our topic today. Please subscribe in my YouTube channel for more educational, informational videos for employees. Thank you. God bless. And 2 thumbs up.